For this example, we want to solve the triangle using law of sines. So we want to figure out, first what we have to do is classify this triangle. Is it one of the three kinds that we can use law of sines for? Is it a side-side angle, angle-side angle, or angle-angle-side triangle? And then again, just to clarify, in order to solve a triangle, that means just find all missing side lengths and angle measures. So we'll find angle A, and side B. So for this triangle, we're given that angle B is 45 degrees, angle C is 95 degrees, and side length C is 5. So what kind of triangle is this? Well, we're given two angles and the non-included side. So that means that this is an angle-angle-side triangle, which is one of the types that we can use law of sines for. And do we have an angle-side pair? Well, we do. We're given here side C and angle C, and that forms an angle-side pair. So we're going to solve this triangle using law of sines. The first thing that we can do, we can find the measure of angle A, and we can just do that because we know the three angle measures of a triangle add to be 180. So we can just take this sum and subtract it from 180. So 45 plus 95 is 140. 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So the measure of angle A here is 40 degrees. So now let's find either side A or side B. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to just start with side B because I'm going to use the information that we were given from the beginning. So to find side B, we use the law of sines. It says the sine of 95 degrees divided by 5 equals the sine of 45 degrees divided by B. Take the cross product. We have that B times the sine of 95 degrees equals 5 times the sine of 45 degrees. Divide by the sine of 95 degrees. Divide by the sine of 95 degrees. And we should get that B is about, let's round to the nearest hundredth to two decimal places. Also, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. So when you plug this into your calculator and you round to the nearest hundredth, you'll get that B is about 3.55. About 3.55. So that's what we have here for B. 3.55. So now we can find side A. Now, when you're doing the law of sines, it's best to use your original given angle side pair because those measures are given to us. And so they're going to be a little bit more accurate. So we're going to start with this here. So again, it's the sine of 95 degrees divided by 5 equals the sine this time of 40 divided by A. The sine of 40 degrees divided by A. Again, do the cross product and we get A times the sine of 95 degrees equals 5 times the sine of 40 degrees. Divide by the sine of 95. Divide by the sine of 95 degrees. Plug it into your calculator, round to the nearest hundredth, and we get that A is about 3.23. So we get that this is about 3.23 units. And so now we've found all missing side lengths and angle measures.